Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the most in-depth product reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a look at a compact powerhouse designed for your car, home, and office, the Shop-Vac 2-in-1 Car Vacuum and Air Duster. This ultra-portable device combines both suction and blowing functionality, making it perfect for those tough-to-reach areas in your car or around the house. But does it really live up to its promises? Let's dive into the details and find out. At just 0.9 pounds and measuring only 10.8 by 2.6 by 2.6 inches, this vacuum is as lightweight and portable as it gets. The sleek design allows for easy storage and makes one-handed operation a breeze, so you can keep your car, office, or small spaces spotless without breaking a sweat. With such a compact form factor, this vacuum stands out for its sheer convenience, especially for anyone who's tired of hauling around bulky, heavy models. In terms of performance, the Shop-Vac 2-in-1 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a high-speed 72,000 RPM motor that powers 3 adjustable suction levels, ranging from 6,000 PA for light debris to a mighty 14,000 PA for more stubborn dirt. Whether you're picking up sand, crumbs, or fine dust, this vacuum adjusts to your needs. The 14,000 PA setting is especially impressive for its ability to tackle messes that might usually require a more powerful vacuum. And of course, the multi-level suction gives you flexibility depending on the mess at hand. No more overkill for light cleaning or undershooting those tougher tasks. But that's not all. This vacuum isn't just for suctioning debris. It doubles as a blower, adding another layer of versatility. With 6 specialized nozzles, including a long nozzle, brush nozzle, dusting brush, small diameter, round, and a pressurized air nozzle, you're equipped to tackle virtually any mess. Whether you're cleaning your car's upholstery or using the pressurized air nozzle to blast away dirt from crevices, the versatility here really shines. The ability to both vacuum and blow air makes this a solid option for quick, efficient cleaning, especially in those hard-to-reach spots in your car or home. Now, on to battery life, one of the key concerns with any cordless vacuum. The Shop-Vac 2-in-1 offers up to 30 minutes of continuous use on its low suction setting. For most light cleaning jobs, this is more than enough. And with the universally compatible USB Type-C charging port, recharging is quick and convenient, meaning you can power up wherever you are, making it perfect for people who need a fast, on-the-go solution. Real-world testing with this vacuum shows how it performs across various surfaces and scenarios. For example, when cleaning fine dust or sand on hard floors, the 14,000 PA suction power does an excellent job of picking up even the smallest particles. On the other hand, when lifting embedded dirt or pet hair from car upholstery or carpet, the vacuum's strong suction shines, though it requires a little extra attention in certain spots. The attachments, especially the brush and long nozzle, prove useful for reaching into tight corners, but some users might find the overall maneuverability slightly tricky on larger surfaces due to its compact size. Cleaning with the Shop-Vac 2-in-1 is generally straightforward. Assembly takes seconds, and the removable dusting brush head makes for easy switching between the vacuuming and blowing modes. However, one drawback is the slightly smaller dustbin, which means you might need to empty it more frequently, especially if you're tackling bigger messes. That said, it's still a solid vacuum for people with quick, small cleaning jobs and regular upkeep. When it comes to pros, this vacuum stands out for its portability, suction power, and dual functionality. The 3 suction settings are a big win, allowing for easy switching between light, everyday cleaning, and tougher tasks. The fact that it also blows debris is a unique feature that sets it apart from many vacuums in this size category. On the downside, the smaller dustbin and shorter runtime on higher power modes could be seen as limitations, especially if you need to clean larger areas or more significant messes in one go. Now let's talk value for money. Considering its performance and versatility, the Shop-Vac 2-in-1 is priced competitively, making it a solid option for buyers who prioritize portability and ease of use. Its suction power and blowing functionality are great for cleaning cars, tight spaces, and small messes around the house. But if you're after something to tackle larger areas or more demanding cleaning tasks, you might need to look at alternatives with longer battery life or higher capacity. Compared to other models in its class, like the Dyson V7 Trigger or the Blackdecker Dustbuster, this Shop-Vac offers a unique 2-in-1 feature, but the shorter runtime and smaller dustbin could be deal breakers for some. If you're looking for something with superior runtime or more robust suction for larger spaces, you might consider a cordless vacuum like the Dyson V7 Trigger or a higher-end handheld model. Those models tend to have stronger suction and longer runtimes, though they lack the blowing function the Shop-Vac offers. But if you want something compact, versatile, and easy to handle for smaller, more specific tasks, the Shop-Vac 2-in-1 stands out in terms of overall value. Build quality is solid for its size. The plastic feels sturdy enough, and the motor shows no signs of weak performance, even after several uses. The vacuum doesn't feel flimsy, though it is light, so you get a sense of balance between portability and durability. Maintenance is simple enough. Clearing the dustbin, cleaning the filter, and switching out nozzles are all intuitive tasks. However, some users might find the need to empty the bin frequently annoying for larger messes. Customer support for this vacuum has generally received positive reviews. Shop-Vac's reputation for after-sales service is solid, with reports of timely responses and helpful troubleshooting for any issues with the device. In terms of longevity, the Shop-Vac 2-in-1 seems well constructed to handle regular use over time. While we haven't seen any long-term data on this specific model, Shop-Vac is known for its durable products, and this mini vacuum seems built to last, given its robust design and well-regarded brand reputation. Wrapping up, the Shop-Vac 2-in-1 car vacuum and air duster is a compact, powerful, and versatile cleaning tool that's perfect for quick cleanups, whether you're tackling your car, office, or smaller areas in your home. Its suction power, dual functionality, and portability make it a strong contender for anyone who needs something light and effective for small messes. However, if you're looking for something to handle larger, more heavy-duty cleaning tasks, you might need to explore alternatives with longer runtimes or bigger dustbins. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the comments box for the link to grab yours. Drop any questions or experiences you have with this vacuum below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and your vacuums working.